Welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about enhancing your car's audio system without sacrificing valuable space, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best spare tire subwoofers that can transform your driving experience. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest car audio tips and reviews. Also, check out the links in the description below to find the best deals on these amazing products. Also, comment below with your thoughts. Which spare tire subwoofer do you think missed on this list? Have you ever used a spare tire car subwoofer before? Now let's get started. Number 5. JBL Basspro Hub 11-inch Powered Subwoofer System. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the JBL Basspro Hub 11-inch Powered Subwoofer System. This innovative subwoofer is designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle's spare tire area, boasting a sleek and compact design that preserves your cargo space. With a robust 200 watts RMS power output, it delivers deep, rich bass that enhances your music without overwhelming it. The system includes a remote control, allowing you to adjust the bass levels to your preference easily. Its frequency response ranges from 30 to 150 Hz, ensuring a broad spectrum of bass tones. The Basspro Hub is also equipped with a built-in Class D amplifier, known for its efficiency and minimal heat production. What sets the JBL Basspro Hub apart is its combination of power and space-saving design. It's perfect for car owners who desire substantial bass without compromising trunk space. The installation process is straightforward, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a DIY approach. However, some users have noted that the bass output, while impressive, may not satisfy those seeking extremely high bass levels. Despite this, the Basspro Hub offers a balanced and enriching audio experience that's well worth the investment. Number 4. CERWIN-VEGA VPS12ST Powered Spare Tire Subwoofer. Coming in at number 4 is the CERWIN-VEGA VPS12ST Powered Spare Tire Subwoofer. This 12-inch subwoofer is engineered to fit into the spare tire area, featuring a slim profile that maximizes space efficiency. It delivers 250 watts RMS power, providing a solid bass foundation for your music. The VPS12ST includes a remote bass knob, allowing for convenient bass level adjustments on the fly. Its frequency response spans from 30 Hz to 150 Hz, capturing those low-end frequencies that bring depth to your audio. The subwoofer also features a PWM MOSFET power supply, ensuring reliable and consistent performance. The standout feature of the CERWIN-VEGA VPS12ST is its ability to deliver powerful bass in a compact form factor. It's ideal for audiophiles who want to enhance their car's sound system without losing valuable trunk space. The included remote bass knob adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to tailor the bass to your liking. Some users have reported that the wired cord is relatively short, which could pose installation challenges in larger vehicles. Nevertheless, the VPS12ST's performance and design make it a worthwhile addition to any car audio setup. Number 3. Diamond Audio DPST 12-11 Non-Amplified Spare Tire Subwoofer. At number 3, we have the Diamond Audio DPST 12-11 Non-Amplified Spare Tire Subwoofer. This 12-inch subwoofer is designed to fit into your vehicle's spare tire compartment, offering a stealthy installation that doesn't draw attention. As a non-amplified unit, it requires an external amplifier to operate, allowing you to customize your setup to your specific preferences. The DPST 12-11 is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. It handles up to 300 watts RMS, with a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 500 Hz. Its design focuses on delivering accurate and punchy bass, enhancing your overall listening experience. The Diamond Audio DPST 12-11 stands out for its flexibility and sound quality. It's an excellent choice for those who already have an amplifier or wish to select one that matches their exact requirements. The subwoofer's design ensures it integrates seamlessly into your vehicle without compromising aesthetics or space. However, it's important to note that this subwoofer is on the pricier side and requires an external amplifier, which could increase the overall cost. Despite this, its superior build quality and performance make it a valuable investment for serious audiophiles. Number 2. Rockville RockGhost V2 Powered Car Subwoofer. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Rockville RockGhost V2 Powered Car Subwoofer. This 11-inch subwoofer is ingeniously designed to fit inside your spare tire, effectively hiding it from view and potential theft. It boasts an impressive 800 watts peak power output and 200 watts RMS, ensuring your music's bass is felt as much as it's heard. The RockGhost V2 features adjustable input sensitivity, allowing it to integrate seamlessly with various car audio systems. It features a frequency response of 50 Hz to 150 Hz. Its built-in Class D amplifier ensures efficient power usage and minimal heat generation. The subwoofer also includes a remote control, giving you the ability to adjust settings without leaving the driver's seat. What makes the Rockville RockGhost V2 stand out is its combination of stealthy installation and powerful performance. It's perfect for car owners who want substantial bass without drawing attention or sacrificing trunk space. The adjustable input sensitivity and included remote control offer a high degree of customization, ensuring the sound is tailored to your preferences. Some users have mentioned that the subwoofer can overheat during extended periods of high-volume playback. Nonetheless, the RockGhost V2's innovative design and robust performance make it a compelling choice for any car audio enthusiast. Number 1. Diamond Audio DSTX 12 11-inch Amplified Shallow Spare Tire Subwoofer. Finally, at number 1, we have the Diamond Audio DSTX 12 11-inch Amplified Shallow Spare Tire Subwoofer. This premium subwoofer is designed to fit discreetly into your spare tire area, offering a clean and unobtrusive installation. It features an integrated amplifier, delivering powerful bass that enhances your music without overpowering it. It handles 150 watts RMS, with a frequency range of 20 to 150 Hz for accurate bass. The DSTX-12 is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and exceptional sound quality. Its shallow design makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, providing flexibility in installation. The Diamond Audio DSTX-12 stands out for its superior sound quality and sleek design. It's ideal for audiophiles seeking top-tier performance without compromising on space or aesthetics. The integrated amplifier simplifies the installation process, making it a convenient choice for those looking to upgrade their car's audio system. However, it's important to note that this subwoofer is very pricey, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Despite the higher price point, the Diamond Audio DSTX-12 offers exceptional bass enhancement without compromising trunk space, making it a worthwhile investment for discerning audiophiles. In conclusion, upgrading your car's audio system with a spare tire subwoofer is an excellent way to enjoy enhanced bass without sacrificing valuable space. Each of the products we've discussed offers unique features tailored to different preferences and budgets. To explore these subwoofers further and find the best deals, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest car audio reviews and recommendations. And before you go, comment below with your thoughts on spare tire subwoofers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.